Welcome to the journey through the life and ideas of Friedrich Nietzsche, one of the most influential philosophers of the 19th century. Nietzsche's philosophy defied conventions and challenged perspectives to their very core. Pale and sickly, yet creatively fertile, Nietzsche was born in 1844 in Saxony, Germany. Raised in a deeply religious family, his early life was steeped in Christian values, which he would later drastically question. Nietzsche's philosophical journey started at the University of Bonn and peaked at the University of Leipzig. It was here that he encountered Schopenhauer's World as Will and Representation, a book that would greatly influence his ideas. In his early works like The Birth of Tragedy, Nietzsche explored the depths of Greek tragedy. He contrasted the Apollonian order and beauty with Dionysian chaos and passion, positioning them as essential opposites in an artistic creation. Nietzsche's concept of Übermensch or Overman became one of his most famous contributions. Through Thus Spoke Zarathustra, he introduced the Overman as the one who could transcend the human condition and establish his own values. Yet another term in Nietzsche's philosophical lexicon is will to power. Nietzsche believed it to be the driving force of human behavior, a primal instinct that pushes us to strive for dominance and control. Nietzsche dramatically declared God as dead in the gay science. He claimed that the Enlightenment's emphasis on reason had killed God, leaving humanity in existential crisis, without a moral compass to guide them. In the face of this crisis, Nietzsche proposed the idea of eternal recurrence. He suggested that life is a cycle of endless repetition, and the ultimate affirmation of life is to embrace this cycle willingly. Nietzsche's later works, which include Beyond Good and Evil and On the Genealogy of Morals, deconstruct traditional values. He critiques morality as an oppressive system, urging individuals to create their own values. Despite being plagued by health issues and mental breakdowns, Nietzsche's philosophical voice never wavered. His ideas, though controversial, continue to resonate and provoke thought, making him an enduring icon in philosophy. In conclusion, Nietzsche's ideas, from the Overman to the death of God, present a radical challenge to established norms. He invites us to question, to doubt, and above all, to boldly shape our own existence. And that wraps up our exploration of the life and ideas of Friedrich Nietzsche, a philosopher who dared to ask uncomfortable questions and pushed humanity to stretch beyond its perceived limits.